Hi folks, how you doing? Tom Franiak here, Midwest Cabinets and Design, out here in beautiful Rogersville, Missouri, and wanted to take a moment and show you what we're doing today. By the way, happy Friday, close to the end of July, and beautiful, beautiful weather here today, somewhere upper 80s, 90 degrees, but we are in the process of building a brand new outdoor space for Jim and Julie, and wanted to show you what's going on here and show you how we approach this situation. As you can see here, let me get down, we have a block wall here. This is a cinder block wall. You can see that all the way through. It's kind of a U shape, and this wall is going to support, I don't know, maybe 10 tons of granite. But as what we've done, is what I've done, is I've gone and I've taken, you can see this is a granite brace. This is L-shaped. I chose this design so that I can get inside this hole that I channeled out in the block, so I can set my brace down in here. You can also see that I put a stainless steel bolt on there, and what that bolt's going to do is when I fill that hole back up with mortar, it's going to help hold that brace down. So we're going to give the ultimate strength that we can give to this granite. So there's going to be maybe a 20-inch cantilever on this. It's going to be a beautiful triple chiseled leathered bar top, and it's going to make for many, many years of enjoyment. You can see the pool in the background here. But this particular granite brace is 3/8 of an inch. I've got a little piece here, a little piece of steel. It's 3/8 of an inch. You can see the end is chamfered, so that it gives a nice clean look when it's visible from the bottom of the granite. It's also 3/8, so it won't flex. If you go out and you buy something that's 1/8 of an inch or 1/4 of an inch, when you go to span that thing 8-10 inches, it's just going to be flimsy. It's going to give an opportunity for your granite to crack. So, you know, if you're looking for a bracket like this to support your granite, give us a call, and we'll help you locate it, or we can even get them for you ourselves. But we'd love to come help you in your outdoor kitchen. One last thing I was just thinking about, let's spin around here. If we come down, you see we have our brand new weather strong cabinets. These cabinets are waterproof cabinetry from Ideal Cabinetry. They chose the Naples design here. You can go to Ideal Cabinetry and take a look at the whole line and some of the other products that we represent for them. Love to help you out with your kitchen, whether it be a waterproof outdoor kitchen or whether it be a beautiful kitchen in home. Also a good time of the year to think about the holidays. And have a great day, and we will talk to you soon. Bye.